Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This time it's going to be the Yootech wireless charging stand for the phones. So let's get started. Comes in a nice compact box, nice and sealed. Let's take the plastic off. Okay, open this thing up. Packaged really well. We have one cord, looks like a USB. There we go, USB-C to regular USB. Looks like we have another. Oh no, this is a USB-C to USB-C. Oh, here we go. No, it's another USB-C to USB-C. Huh, interesting. And here's the stands themselves. Very nice. I like it. And of course the phone would be right in there like that. You can kind of see you videotaping me right now. Nice. And there is a second one. So obviously I did get them in pairs. Ah, here we go. There's another USB-C to USB. So now I'm gonna go ahead and test these out. Ooh, wait a minute. There's some more stuff in here. We have important notice. It's about starting the wireless charging experience. 6 things you need to pay attention to. The new charger is compatible with the QI enabled devices, like your phone. It is usually slower than the wired charger, but has much more convenience. I'd agree with that. The input is actually multi-input, 5 volts, 2 amps, up to 9 volts, 2 amps. So in other words, any of the, like the TV screens, or computer monitors that have the outputs on, you can probably go ahead and plug that into the monitor output or the side of the computer and plug this into the back of the charger, and that should do it right there. Or if you have, let's say, an older connector, you can probably use that as well. Like for instance, I should say an older plug like this. All right, you can go ahead and plug that in, and that should work. So let's go ahead and see if they work. So we're going to go ahead, plug those in, test them both out. So what we have, are we charging? Yes, we are. Look at that. And let's see if the other one works. Yes, it does. Alrighty. So they do work. That's all I needed. So now I have 2 different platforms. One I can take to work and take my phone there, and another one next to my bedside and charge the phone there. I'm happy with it. So what I'll do, I'll put a link down below where you can get these if you're interested. Again, it does not come with the charging module, which I have so many of those left over. I'm happy with it. And also, I'm going to be using one of these at work, just plugging it into the side of the monitor. I'm fine with that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask down in the comments. Otherwise, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.